and talk about the Arid Bilge system on the 395 and how Arid Bilge system makes the Everglades a better boating, dry experience. Here to go and talk about it with David.
Yeah, thanks for being here. You're on the 395. I'm David Brown. I'm the Vice President of Product Development and Engineering. We partnered with Arid Bilge System as a standard feature on this boat. It really helps keep all of the below deck bilges nice and bone dry. It's been a huge customer satisfaction, especially people that keep their boat in the water and so forth or up on limbs. Everglades has been building center consoles. We have a full range of boats from our 243 up to our 455 pack full of technology and patented technology on the boats. So we're really proud to be a partner here with Arid Bilge Systems.
Yeah, with Everglades Boats, one of the regional managers as well as the captain of the company. At Everglades, a philosophy of using nothing but the best products that you can find all over the place. The last trip I did, a long trip, which was over about 2,500 miles over the course of 3 months, but we pulled the boat out of the water at the end of that and there wasn't a drop of water in the village. And that's imperative these days with Helmmaster systems down there. The Arid Bilge Systems will deliver as promised. It will keep your bilge dry and it will keep your electronics safe.